relationship between stone and human civilization has been continuing since ages. Stone wheels made the transport possible. Houses made up of stones provided shelters. The first revolutionary ignition of fire derived from stones. Stone has been used to process food and grinding of grains since civilization initiated. This way, stone became important in human life. Technologies become outdated due to hard effort and wastage of power in grinding process in former era. But nowadays, it's just the matter of a touch. Choyal Innovations present fully digitally controlled touchscreen integrated food factory. Capacity and size of your dream food factory complements your requirements. Brita Online Manufacturing Technology, state-of-the-art technology for making of the emery stones. Taking care of all the safety measures of food processing, agronomics, industrial investments, and above all, everyone's health. We provide taste and health of global standards. Ajmer and Pushkar, the historic city surrounded by Khwaja and Lord Brahma, where the Choyal, synonym of trust, got arise and cover up the globe with the trust of Indian art to keep pace with time, the proud of making made in India. It was around 50 years ago we started the journey on the way of emery stones manufacturing. Our rock-solid intention and fine talent witnessed our grand beginning in the world of flour mill and emery stone production. Fully automated, touchscreen integrated flour mill, wonder miller and various patented techniques, becoming a milestone in the millstones.
To remain pioneer, we always insist on innovation, excellence and benchmark quality.
Our rich and vast 50 years experience and your support always encourage us to provide better than the best. The name Choyal represents not only a business but a family. We value your concerns and business at utmost and join hands for progress. We are committed to convert your visions into reality, your investment and efforts into profit. Yes, we have kept the promise we made and have been continuing the relationship. We provide world-class, complete turnkey solutions in flour milling industry. We believe in offer the best, produce the best, deliver the best.
Ethical business policies, best quality product and customer trust are our core strength.
We never forget how much you rely on Choyal.